Welcome to our step-by-step guide on installing Ekoa veneer wall protection. Made from natural flax fibers, Ekoa offers a unique, sustainable option for your interiors. Follow along as we guide you through the installation process to achieve a flawless finish. Ekoa wall protection is a gorgeous, high-performance, and natural product for walls. It's wall protection designed for seamless installation just like a wall covering. To start, let's get our tools out and ready. Unpack and unroll the material to let it rest face up on a clean, prepared surface for at least 24 hours before installation to allow it to acclimate. Ensure the surface is clean and free of debris. You may be using sheets or rolled-up sheets of Ekoa. You need to install the flat product that has been acclimated in a temperature-controlled environment between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit with no more than 50% humidity. If necessary, cover it with a clean drop sheet to prevent dust buildup. Weigh down the edges to help flatten it. Use a moisture meter to check that the drywall's moisture content does not exceed 10%. Maintain a constant temperature and humidity in the room until the product is fully cured. Apply a primer with a roller and allow it to dry according to the manufacturer's instructions. Once the primer is thoroughly dry, you are ready to start. Plan the layout. Ekoa is a natural material and there is variation between pieces. Evaluate the appearance of adjacent wall covering sheets and stage the material according to your desired aesthetic for a seamless appearance. Consider reverse hanging, rotating each sheet 180 degrees to balance the variation between lighter and darker sides. For smaller pieces, plan for appearance and select sheets accordingly. To prevent knuckling or cracking the sheet, gently coil the material while supporting each end during transport or installation. Tack, measure, and trim while cutting to the desired size using the installer's preferred method. Use single-sided razor blades or a breakaway utility knife and make sure to use a new blade for each cut. To avoid appearance issues, cut the material from the back against a fully supported surface. Do not mark the back of the product with a pen, pencil, or marker. Instead, use painter's tape for any markings, write on the tape if needed, and remove it once finished. Use a stain pen to color the edges. This will provide a more polished and seamless appearance. Apply a thin, even layer of high-strength clay-based adhesive to the backside of the Ekoa sheet using a 3/8" nap roller. This helps to displace the air and ensure a secure bond. Align the first sheet using a laser level or another alignment tool to ensure it is plumb. Using a 6-inch or wider scraper, work from top to bottom to smooth out air bubbles. As you move downward, adjust the Ekoa as needed to ensure it butts up properly with the next piece and stays aligned with the leveling device. To achieve the best appearance, ensure that the sheets are installed with a reverse hang. Repeat the process for each subsequent sheet of wall protection. Ensure that each edge is cut straight and the pieces are butt jointed, not overlapping. Do not overlap or double cut Ekoa sheets. Check for air bubbles and adhesion by using a 6-inch scraper and a roller to ensure that the surface is completely flat and smooth. Clean the installed product with a damp sponge and dry it with a microfiber cloth. For areas requiring touch-ups, use a stain pen. Monitor the appearance of bubbles over a 24-hour period. If bubbles have developed, use a scraper or a roller to flatten the air bubbles. If bubbles are persistent, use a razor to make a tiny incision to allow the air to be displaced. Use a seam roller to firmly press out any persistent bubbles. To preserve the beauty of your Ekoa, clean it with a non-abrasive cleaner. Do not use acetone or harsh chemicals. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at hello@lingrove.com or visit our website. Thank you for choosing Ekoa for your wall protection needs.